Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana. In today's video, it was a high requested one, is the Swiss meringue buttercream that I use in my cakes. So this particular recipe, which is my go-to, I use in many of my cakes, especially when I have a client that tells me I don't like the normal American buttercream and I find it is too sugary. I'd like something more subtle. So this is your go-to. It's a little bit longer to create, but the end result is really great. So it's easier than what we think. It's just you have little steps to follow. This particular recipe is so easy to use. You can use it in your cakes, your cupcakes, your little tarts, and it's very light and fluffy and it's easy to work with. It's actually easier to work with Swiss meringue buttercream, in my opinion, than normal American buttercream. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed, and that's enough talking and let's get to it. Swiss meringue buttercream video today. So, high demand, very simple. It kind of looks like the buttercream recipe that I have, except you're working with egg whites. So, do not throw out your yolks, because you can also do with yolks pastry cream. So if you want to learn how to make that, I actually did a video on how to make the mini tarts, and in that video I show you how to do pastry cream, which is so yummy. And so you can go ahead and look at that in the description box down below, so if you want to have the recipe with the pastry cream. So when you separate your eggs, always room temperature obviously, but make sure to keep your yolks, do not throw your yolks. So basically what I do, I take my mixing bowl and I put it on top of a double boiler, make sure that it's not touching the water, and I mix in constantly my egg whites and my sugar until the sugar has completely dissolved. When a lot of people are asking me like, when do I know it's ready? Actually, you know that it's ready when you touch your egg whites and there's no more grains of sugar. That's when you know it's ready. When that happens, you take your mixing bowl, bring it to your machine and start mixing. And you start on slow and then you work your way up. You're gonna mix until your bowl starts to cool down. Once it starts to cool down, you start adding your butter. And then you continue adding your butter, you mix in properly, and then you will get that nice fluffy texture to it. You can add whatever extract that you want, and it's a great alternative for people that do not like buttercream, because Swiss meringue buttercream, it's more subtle, it's less sugary, and they use it a lot for wedding cakes. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. By the way, if you guys want other recipes, I also put up my chocolate buttercream and also the buttercream recipe that I use in practically all my videos. That will be in the description box down below as well. And by the way, when you click on it, it actually brings you to my blog. And in my blog, there's other recipes also, and that you can go and recreate if you want. So that is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.